So I am the world's messiest crafter. I'm in my robe, I got paint on my hands. I don't move anything aside, I just paint in the area that I need it because I have a chronic illness and I don't have the energy to be able to go all out. At least I'm not feeling that today. So I spray painted this. I'm gonna go over it chalk paint and I'm gonna finish painting this. And we'll see the result. And I'll hopefully be able to clear this thing off too. And we'll get a nice gander at the after.